What if you knew the answer to 3 questions that would guarantee you'd never fail? A powerful king once asked them, but the answers he found were not what he or you would ever expect. This is a story about finding life's true purpose, not in grand plans, but in the power of now. There was once a king who believed that if he could only know the answer to 3 questions, he would be invincible. The first question was, what is the most important time to begin everything? The second, who are the most important people to listen to? And the third, what is the most important thing to do? He offered a great reward for the answers, but though many learned men tried, none could satisfy him. So, the king decided to seek the wisdom of a hermit who lived in the mountains. Disguised as a simple peasant, he found the old man digging in his garden. The king asked his 3 questions. The hermit listened but said nothing, and simply went on digging. Seeing the old man was frail, the king felt a pang of pity, took the spade, and began to dig for him. He worked for hours, his royal hands blistering, until the sun began to set. Just then, a man with a terrible wound stumbled out of the woods and collapsed. Forgetting his questions, the king rushed to his side. He cleaned the wound and bandaged it with his own shirt, saving the man's life. He and the hermit carried the man into the hut to rest. The king, exhausted from the long day, soon fell asleep on the floor. The next morning, the king approached the hermit. "I came to you for answers," he said. "But you have given me none." The hermit looked at the king. "But your questions have already been answered," he replied. "If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and stayed to dig, you would have been attacked on your way home. Therefore, the most important time was when you were digging. The most important person was me, and the most important thing to do was to help me." Later, the hermit continued, "When the wounded man appeared, the most important time was the moment you cared for him. For if you had not, he would have died. So he became the most important person, and what you did for him was the most important thing. Remember this then," the hermit said, his voice quiet but clear. "There is only one time that is important, and that time is now. The most important person is the one you are with at this moment, and the most important thing to do is to do good for that person. For this is the only purpose of life. We spend so much of our lives agonizing over the past or planning for the future, searching for some grand purpose. But this story teaches us that the secret to a well-lived life is not found in a grand strategy, but in the profound simplicity of the present moment. Right now is the only time you have. The person in front of you is the most important person, and helping them is the most important mission. Subscribe to get more stories like this one. If you don't subscribe, you will probably never see us again. If you've already subscribed, then congratulations. You are growing.